Hi, Pre-K. Are you ready to do some science experiment? So, in the mail from Mackenzie, you all should have gotten a little bag of beans. And what you need to do, if you watch the video that's also attached, is put your beans in the bag with a wet paper towel. And then you seal the bag up to keep the paper towel wet so your beans have enough water. Okay? And if you have other kinds of dried beans at home, you could try this experiment with other kinds of dried beans too and see what happens. You could use kidney beans, garbanzo beans, white beans. If you have other kinds of dried beans at home, you could give them their own bag and see what happens. Okay, so you don't have to just use this kind of beans. This is the only kind of bean I have, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay. And the other thing you're going to need is your science journal that Mackenzie sent you. So it's the one I made my own. So it's the one where there's a space for your name and then it says Science Journal. So mine says Lily's Science Journal, and you can decorate the front page however you want. Okay? And then what we're going to do today is one of the most important parts of science is writing down and noting what you observe. So that's what we're going to do today. You are going to set up your beans, and you can put your beans in a sunny spot. You could tape them to the window, you could find a sunny ledge, but put them somewhere where they will get some sun, because plants need sun and water to grow. And so in the bag and the paper towel is the water. The other thing you need is sun. Okay? So put your beans wherever they're going to go in their sunny spot, and then you're going to draw what you observe. But we need to keep track of when we observe this, because hopefully the beans are going to change. So first thing you do is open your science journal to the first page, and the first thing you're going to do is write this, day 1. This is day 1 of our experiment. So D-A-Y and a 1. And then you can go ahead and draw what you observe. Okay? What color are your beans? What shape are they? How many are there? Okay, where are they in the bag? See what your beans look like and draw them on the first page. And then you can label what you have. If you have multiple kinds of beans, you could label what kind of beans they are. You could write red beans, black beans, kidney beans. I just have one kind of beans, so I just labeled it beans down here. B-E-A-N-S, beans. And I noticed that my beans had a little, if you can see it, white dot on them. So in my science journal, I drew black beans with a little white dot. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. We are going to set up our science experiment, and we are going to observe our day 1 and draw a picture of it in our science journal. Okay?